Pakistan Chief of the Army Staff General Syed Asim Munir has said that peace in South Asia will remain elusive until a peaceful solution to the lingering Kashmir dispute is found in accordance with the UN Security Council resolutions and the aspirations of the Kashmiri people. According to Kashmir Media Service, he said this during a meeting with the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres in New York. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has described the Indian Supreme Court's latest diktat validating the Narendra Modi-led government's action of repealing the Article 370 as occupied Kashmir is not internal matter of India but an international dispute on the UNSC agenda. According to Kashmir Media Service, APHC spokesman in a statement in Srinagar said India is completely disregarding the Kashmiris' right to decide their future. As the country observed the 9th anniversary of the terrorist attack at the Army Public School in Peshawar, the Pakistani nation and the armed forces stand resilient with a commitment to combating terrorism while persistently pursuing the goals of safeguarding their citizens and thwarting the sinister designs of its enemies. According to Kashmir Media Service, in an inhumane terrorist attack on December 16, 2014, the militants of Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan attacked the Army Public School in Peshawar and over 140 people, including students and teachers, were martyred. It is now an established fact that the gruesome attack carried out by the TTP was also planned and financed by the India's secret agency, Research and Analysis Wing (RAW). India's nefarious role in dismemberment of Pakistan in 1971 is an established fact that its role in arming, training and instigating the Mukti Bahini was the greater factor in the creation of Bangladesh. A report released by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today said Indian leaders, including its present-day fascist Prime Minister Narendra Modi, have openly confessed about the Indian role to break up Pakistan in 1971. High Court of Occupied Kashmir has quashed the illegal detention of 4 persons booked under the draconian law, the Public Safety Act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the bench quashed the PSA detention of Muhammad Maqbool Karnai, Sameer Ahmed Khan, Shahid Nazir Malik and Zahid Zamir Mir. The court directed the authorities to release the detainees forthwith. India is involved in the acts of terrorism in Pakistan to destabilize the country, and the attack on the Army Public School in Peshawar is its glaring example. According to Kashmir Media Service, it is an established fact that India has been financing, planning and carrying out terror attacks in Pakistan for the last several decades.